Hello everyone. Do you think that a tight trial balance means it's error free? No, it does not. Here, tie out means debit side of a trial balance is equal to the credit side of it. This topic is very important for any accounting department or even an auditor. I won't be diving much into what exactly is a trial balance. If you want to really know about the basics of a trial balance, please go and watch the video present in the I button and the description box. So there are basically 5 different types of errors that you can see in the preparation of a trial balance. The first one, error of omission. Second one, error of posting. Third one, error of reversal. Fourth, error of principal. And fifth, error of commission. Let's go through all of them one by one. First one, error of omission. What is the error of omission? It's basically omitting to record a transaction in the books of account. So once it gets omitted, it does not come up directly in your trial balance. It actually misses both sides of your debits and credits, so you do not directly get to see whether there's an error in your trial balance or not. For example, you have a transaction where there's a maintenance charge of, let's say, $200. So if it's a complete miss, that means both debit as well as credit sides are missed completely. You cannot see by just seeing the numbers at the total level of a trial balance. So the entry here is maintenance charge account debit to cash account. So one account is debit, other one is credit. Both getting missed. So it's an error of omission. Next one. Error of original entry or error of posting. So it basically means it includes wrong amount on both sides of debit as well as credit. Let's take the same example. Maintenance charge of $200. What if instead of $200, $2,000 are debited and cash is credited? So basically you used a wrong amount, and wrong amount is used in both sides of an entry. So both debit and credit are inflated here. Hence you do not get to see whether the trial balance is correct or not based upon this sort of entry. Third one, error of reversal. When a double entry transaction gets entered with the correct amount, but the account to be debited is credited and the account to be credited is debited. Basically, the opposite happens. So let's take the same example again, maintenance charge of $200. So here, maintenance charge being an expense account should have been debited, but instead of that, cash account got debited and instead maintenance account got credited. So since the entry is balanced, the trial balance also gets balanced. You do not get to see the impact of this entry into your trial balance. Fourth one, error of principal. Here, due to lack of knowledge of the account, wrong account type is chosen. So let's take an example here. Maintenance charge of $200. The same example again. Here, instead of maintenance charge, the accountant has chosen machinery account. Now the account type of both the account is more or less of the similar category. One is expense, the other one is asset. Both, if gets increased, is always a debit. So here machinery account gets debited. So the impact in your trial balance is a debit of 200 in the debit side, and the cash account gets credited, both with the same amount. And since this is a balanced entry, hence your trial balance does not show this type of error. Fifth one, error of commission. Here also, wrong account type gets chosen, but this is not due to lack of knowledge, but due to oversight. So maintenance charge of $200, we are using the same example across all the types of errors. And here also machinery account gets debited instead of maintenance charge. But this is due to oversight. So here also the trial balance won't show you that there is a miss, and hence this will get skipped. I hope you are able to understand all these 5 types of errors that can happen, and you won't even get to know about it by directly seeing your trial balance. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know in the comment box and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Do like and subscribe.